Here's the top 10 cutest baby animal moments. Countdown. Starring playful pandas, otters, and foxes for ultimate adorable overload. 10. Baby panda cubs joyfully tumbling and sliding down playfully, ending in fluffy heaps. 9. Tiny otter pups floating peacefully while holding paws, the epitome of sweetness. 8. Fox kits mid-pounce and chase, bursting with mischievous energy in the grass. 7. Adorable baby pandas wrestling and rolling together in pure, playful chaos. 6. Otter pup being tenderly cradled or floating with mom, full of innocent curiosity. 5. Fluffy fox kits leaping, nipping tails, and tumbling in sunny meadows. 4. Curious baby panda clumsily climbing or hugging, begging for more fun. 3. Playful otter pups splashing and holding hands while drifting on the water. 2. Energetic fox kits in a whirlwind of pouncing and sibling play fights. 1. The ultimate heart melter. Baby pandas, otters, foxes, and red pandas in epic cute frenzy.